Today I have 4 new card kit boxes to show you from Crafter's Companion. Keep in mind, the last 4 that we had sold so well that we decided to bring in these 4 really quickly, and we expect more to come in the future. So we're going to start with the Create a Card kit. So again, they always come packaged really pretty like this. This particular kit will make 18 cards and has over 200 elements. And you must love the way that when you open this box, it's like Christmas and you're getting all these presents. So we have the assorted ribbon and the assorted pearls, the delicate card edge die, and some individual flower dies that go with the stamps, and then really pretty printed paper, colored cards, and then quite a variety of card blanks and envelopes. And there's also an acetate and a box lid, so you can make a base box to put all your beautiful cards in. Moving down to the embossing folder. So this again will make 18 cards and has 115 elements in it. Beautiful printed paper, ribbons that are going to match, and then there are 2 normal embossing folders, 1 3D embossing folder, and if you know about Crafter's Companion, that means that you get a very raised edge with those, and then a longer border and some 2 smaller with some phrases. Then of course there is the stamps. And then quite a selection of the die cut toppers. There's a lot of them in there. I think there were 18 sheets, colored cards, and all of the blank cards, and some white and black cardstock. Now this one's kind of fun. This is the Build a Scene. So this will make very intricate cards, 19 cards total with 125 different elements in the box. And with this one, there's actually instructions. With the others, there are a lot of videos, and those are attached, so you can find all the videos on making all the different cards. But this one actually has an instruction sheet, and these are really cool. The stamp and die set that match up and work great for the building a scene. And then some printed cardstock, colored cardstock, some assorted ribbon to match the printed paper, and the blank cards, envelopes, and white and black cardstock. And this is something a little different. This is for making cards, but yet it's a little bit crafty. This is the flower forming kit, making them with foam. So with this, you of course get some dies, the beautiful matching ribbons, and the pearls, but then you also get the stamens for the centers of the flowers, and a box lid template so that you can make cute little boxes to put your flowers in, some die cut toppers, and with this there is the foam sheets, and there's 4 or 5 different colors of foam sheets. There's white and colored cardstock, printed cardstocks, and of course blank cards and envelopes. So here we have 4 more kits from Crafter's Companion. A lot of instructional videos so that you and your customers will have no problem trying to figure out what to make when you get your box.